Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. I'm your host, and today, we've got something special for all you gamers out there. The ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 OC Edition gaming graphics card. Let's dive right into the world of gaming graphics and see what this powerhouse has to offer. ASUS is a brand known for pushing the boundaries of gaming performance, and with the dual RTX 3050, they've taken it a step further. This graphics card brings the latest NVIDIA Ampere architecture to the table, promising not just power but efficiency as well. The heart of this graphics card lies in its NVIDIA Ampere streaming multiprocessors, which provide 2x the FP32 throughput and improved power efficiency. If you're all about ray tracing, you're in for a treat. The second-generation RT cores offer 2x the throughput of the previous generation, and you can now enjoy concurrent RT and shading for an entirely new level of ray tracing performance. But that's not all. ASUS has also integrated third-generation tensor cores into this card. With structural sparsity and advanced AI algorithms like DLSS, these cores deliver a massive boost in game performance and introduce exciting new AI capabilities. Now, let's talk about keeping your gaming sessions cool. The Axial Tech fan design has been meticulously tuned, featuring a smaller fan hub for longer blades and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure. The result? Efficient cooling, even during the most intense gaming moments. ASUS knows that gamers come in all shapes and sizes, including those who prefer smaller chassis. That's why they've designed the dual RTX 3050 with a two-slot design, maximizing compatibility and cooling efficiency. So whether you're building a compact powerhouse or a massive gaming rig, this card has you covered. Silence is golden, especially when you're gaming late into the night. ASUS has incorporated 0 decibels technology, which means the fans stop completely when the GPU temperature falls below 50 degrees and power consumption is low. Say goodbye to unnecessary noise. Durability is crucial, and this card doesn't disappoint. Dual-ball fan bearings ensure a longer lifespan, lasting up to twice as long as sleeve-bearing designs. So, you're not just getting great performance, you're getting longevity. ASUS takes pride in its Auto Extreme technology, an automated manufacturing process that sets new standards. It reduces thermal strain on components, avoids harsh cleaning chemicals, and results in less environmental impact. The bottom line? A more reliable product overall. Gamers need a card that can stand the test of time. The dual RTX 3050 features a protective backplate that adds structural rigidity, preventing flex and protecting critical components. That's so metal. A little flair never hurt anyone, right? The card's shroud features a subtle illuminated strip, adding a touch of style to your gaming rig. ASUS goes the extra mile with their 144-hour validation program, ensuring that the card is ready for action. This rigorous testing ensures compatibility with the latest games and unwavering performance. In conclusion, the ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 OC Edition gaming graphics card is a gaming powerhouse that doesn't compromise on performance, cooling, or longevity. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or exploring the world of ray tracing, this card has you covered. That's it for today's in-depth review of the ASUS dual RTX 3050. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech reviews. Got questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, your source for all things tech. Until next time, happy gaming!